Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, let us see how to create a table in Power BI. Okay, in order to create a table in Power BI, we should have to have some data, right? In order to get some data, you have to go here and just click on this tab where you will get various data sources. You can choose any of these. Okay, so in order to draw a table, at first you have to select table. Okay, just click on this table option so that you will be able to see it here. Okay, let me put it make it small. Okay, I'm just dragging it. Okay, now I'm trying to draw a table. Okay, for sales. Okay, subcategory. Okay, subcategory wise sales. Okay, and I'm trying to take the profit, sales and the profit. Okay, and also region. Okay, this is how you can just add the entities. Okay, whatever the column names you want, you can just add it in the columns. Okay, you can drag it or else just tick okay, click on this so that you will be able to see the complete chart here. Okay, let me try to do some slicing and dicing part here. In order to do that, you should have to select the visualization and just go here and click on this values. Okay, I'm just trying to change the color. Okay, let me do it. Okay, okay, let me change the mode. Okay, and let me go to the title and just make it okay, table. Okay, table for sales. Okay, sales and profit. Fit by subcategory. Okay, and you can just make it normal. Okay, let me put it in the middle. I'm just dragging it here. Okay, let me change the background color. Let me put it as sky blue, and let me put the text color as white. Okay, let me make the fonting as this, and let me increase the size. Okay, so let me make it along. Okay, a larger way. Okay, so this is how you can just prepare a table in Power BI. Okay, in order to change the background color, you can just give like this. Okay, so this is how the look and feel you can just create. Okay, this is how you can create a table in Power BI. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. I request you to please subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the updates on Power BI, Excel. Okay, please go through the other videos whatever I have shared earlier so that it will be helpful for you. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.